Hello, it's your boy Der Sheriff and welcome to The Pro Streamer, where in today's video we're going to be unboxing the $6,000 setup. You're going to see me cutting up boxes and revealing the component. But before we move on, I want to let you know that I'm probably live on Twitch, the Sheriff style. And don't forget, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like and hit on that juicy subscribe button and comment down below on all the stuff you like and what you want to see in the future. So here we have the HP Omen and we're going to be unboxing it. Look at the beautiful logo they have. I love it. I'm going to show you the 360 version of the tower. There we go, we've got the plastic sheet out. So we're going to leave the tower here for now. We're going to check what else is in the box. Okay, so here comes the power cable, guys. So it comes in a little sheet bag. So we got the power cable here. We're going to be plugging this in a bit. So, but before that, I'm going to show you a 360 version of the tower. So you have the head. It's got a lovely, nice triangular pattern throughout the whole thing. We do have here, you can see you got a mic, what's it called, plug. You got a headphone plug. You got the power here. You just click on the button. That's about it. And you got two USB ports here. Now I'm going to show you the stomach of it. So this is the stomach of it. As you can see, the beautiful mirror here. We got a diamond mirror. We got the Omen, HP Omen. We got here the Ryzen 7. And put it in the middle here. Diamond, Omen, Ryzen 7. There we go. Now we're gonna show you the 360 version of it in the bottom. Here we go. Gently pick it. Whoop, that's a bit of a hard drop. Don't do that, guys. But we got a leg stands here, and we got a beautiful triangular patterns here with little. If you look directly into it, you'll see little small holes so the air can come out of it and cool the system down. We got a lot of gibberish going on here. It's not necessary. We don't need to read that stuff, guys, for now. I'm gonna show you the back of the hub of the tower. There we go. Gently it does it. So we got one fan here. Now we got the power plug in here. We got screws all over here. We got more little ducts coming out here, so a little air duct. So 3 display port and 1 HDMI port. We do have a USB-C plug-in, and we do have 1, 2, 3, 4 USB plugins, ports. So sorry, we got 2 USB-C plugins, and we have an Ethernet cable. We got the mic and 2 of the other bull cracker-diddle-doo that we don't need to know. And there's a lovely internal access here. You can't see, but the pattern feels lovely, guys. It's a 3D little effect, so I love that. So we're gonna show you one side of the back, of the side. One side of the side, which is the beautiful Omen. Look at that, guys. Look, you can see the steam coming from my hand. It is beautiful, guys, and it does vanish away. So we're gonna show you the other side of it. So we're gonna place it down gently, guys. Don't forget that, especially because the other side is a glass side. And look at this beaut, guys. Look at that beaut. Oh, look at it. So we got Ryzen 7 inside there with the CPU fan there, cooler. We got some fans all around here. It does light up. It does have lighting inside it. We got the power socket here, and this says 25L, designed and engineered by HP, guys. So it's beautiful circuitry and a motherboard. That's about it for the tower. So I hope you've enjoyed that. So let's go on to the next product, which is the Samsung 4K screen. So our next unboxing is the Samsung UHD monitor, which is 4K, guys, and it is 27.9 inch to be exact. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is the Samsung 4K monitor. So we're gonna pull out the foam gently, guys. We're gonna pull the screen out so we can take out the foam. Throw the foam away. Look, we don't need this. Throw it away. we go. See, it's torn away. So we're gonna be pulling out the screen, and we're gonna be lifting it here. So before we're gonna place anything, we're gonna take out all the stuff that we need. So we don't need the foam. Phone can say goodbye. We're gonna pull out the power cables and all of the stuff needed on the side. This is the stand, and the rest is not needed. So let's throw the box away. Right. Okay guys, here is the monitor. It's face down right now, so I'm gonna pull it out. There we go guys. You're gonna hold it from here, as you don't want to be holding the screen. Pulling that out. There you go. You hold it from this position so you don't touch the screen. You place it down. So this guys was a $300 screen. So it is very cheap, especially because it's a 4K monitor and it does everything that it needs to do as a 4K monitor guys. So it's beautiful, it's lovely, and it's crisp and clean. So you're not gonna find a better budgeted version of this. So make sure you guys go buy it. Link will be down below. I'm gonna open this cable, the power cable now. Look at that guys, the beautiful pattern. If you can see it guys, the beautiful pattern. It feels lovely. Oh my gosh, it is actually so smooth. Wow, I'm gonna say wow to Samsung. Well done. We've got the plug-in here and we got the plugins here. Okay guys, this is the 4K screen. We have a beautiful Samsung logo. We have a lovely silver lining. We're gonna pull out the beautiful protection. Here we go guys. Look at that. I love stuff like that. It's so satisfying. So yeah. Now I'm gonna turn it over to the side. You look at that beautiful design. The feel of it is excellent. Look at the design and all that. There's a beautiful circular motion, and yeah, there's an on button right here. Oh, there we go. So we got, I don't know if you can see it. I think you can see it. You got HDMI, you got 2 HDMI, you got 1 USB, and you have 1 display port, and you got the plug-in for the power. So there we go, and you got a headphone plug-in too, so that's perfect. So that is the Samsung 4K screen guys. Very nice, very crisp, very beautiful. Can't wait to turn it on guys. You're gonna love it and it's gonna be beautiful. Well, let's move on to the next item. So here we got our third and fourth unboxing of the second and third monitors. And we got ourselves the Acer 1080p monitor. So this is a 22-inch FHD LED screen. Exactly 22 inch, nothing more, nothing less, and it is a beautiful monitor. We're going to be putting a handle here as it shows you, and we're going to be digging the thumb in. There we go guys. You're going to have to hold the cardboard box to pull out this monitor. We got paperwork right here. We're gonna put that down and look into it in a bit. Now it's halfway out. We're gonna keep on doing this. Oh, something else popped up. And this is the stand guys. Well, we don't need that, so we're gonna put it on the side. We're gonna pull out the cables as it's in the way. It's gonna fall. We will look into it a bit more, but let's pull that out. Pull out the screen. There we go guys. Let's move the box. And you heard that bang. So this is why you gotta make sure you open it nicely and carefully. There's nothing in the box left, so we're gonna throw the box. So here is the monitor guys. We're gonna be throwing out the foam. We don't need it. And there's a lot of foam throwing away. So it will be recycled. Don't worry about that guys. I love the environment as much as you. So let's unbox this and unpull it. Oh, look at that. Look at the crispness of it, the perfect edges. It's very thin from an Acer. We got a lovely block here, calling Acer, and there's a lovely finger stripe. Like, oh, I don't know how to say it, but it's a lovely feeling. It is striped down, so you can grab onto it with your finger, and look at that. You put your finger down, you get a mark, and then it dissipates. Well, nice clean screen. Turn it over. You have a display, HDMI port, and you got a power socket. We won't need to be mounting it or putting it on a stand. It will be going on the arm, so that's perfect. And that's done, guys, for the monitors. I'm gonna quickly go through the rest of them. I'm gonna box them all together so you can see them. So here we have 3 different items. We have the light. We got the Raleno light. So it's a beautiful soft light, you can see. So we're just gonna open this up. There's an opening here, hatch. There we go, guys. Pull it out, and then it's an open box, as you can see. And then here we go. We're gonna be pulling out the socket parts of it, so we don't need the rest. That's gonna go in the bin. So we're gonna be opening this, and then you will see what it has. I don't know myself. It has screws and a cable. So we got the plug-in cable here, and we got the screws here. Okay, very short cable, not very good, but yeah, it is what it is. Here it is, $40 light instead of the Elgato $150 light. So here we go, the $40 light. We pull out the plastic sheet. Here we go. Can't wait to plug it in. But here you put in the screw on here, so you can mount it. And then these are the different knobs you're gonna twist to lighten it, brighten it, different light colors, warm light, white light, and you have the on and off button here. And the cable goes in here, guys. There's the cable. So with that light comes with this. You have to buy it separately, but it's only $25. It's a great investment to put on the light, so it doesn't clutter up the table. So here we go. We're just gonna unbox it. Put it out. There we go, guys. Simple as that. Don't drop it like I did. So throw the box away. We're gonna pick everything up. There we go. So very simple. We don't need, honestly, you don't need instructions. It's so simple. There's a nice little rod here. Excellent material for $25, guys. Excellent material, excellent feel, excellent twisting knob. There we go. We've got the rest of the screws. I'm gonna leave it in there because I don't want to lose it. But these are the screws for the mounting. If it comes out. There we go. That's the mount on the table. Lovely. You put it up like this and you screw it in like that. There you go, guys. Very simple, very easy to use. And this is the last one, the monitor arm. So we're gonna be needing a knife. Here's the unboxing, guys. We got a box here. We got the beautiful arm here. It does rotate to get in tighter. It does it both ways. See that, guys? That's the arm. Look how secure that looks, guys. Lovely feel, lovely arm. Okay, lovely feel, lovely arm. Okay, there you go. Okay guys, this is the last set of unboxing now. We've got ourselves a smart floodlight. So I've already unboxed this, but just gonna show you quickly. This is the beautiful light, guys, that's gonna be making my room look so beautiful. There is a bit of stain on it because obviously I was trying to make it work. So yeah, it took a while to get it sorted, but it's fine, it's working and beautiful. And this came out as $23. So it's a bargain for what it does. Honestly, when you see my room, you will see wow. That's all I'm saying. Here we go. So next unboxing is the camera. We got the Logitech StreamCam 1080p 60 fps camera. It is a beautiful box, beautiful camera. Opening the box, look at that. Look at that, guys, look at that. That is beautiful. We're gonna pull out the cardboard here. I'm gonna pull it out here. It's like that. Pull, there we go, empty box. Manual you probably need. Okay, now this came off, that was the screen protector, but we're gonna put it back on for now so I can take it off. There we go, guys, that was here. Pow. So we got the bracket here, closes, open, and there's also another bracket here to make it a perfect angle. As you can see, beautiful, very strong, lovely camera. We got the cables here. The box is empty now, we don't need that too. Here is the beautiful camera with the cable and the bracket if you need to put it onto an arm. We don't need to do that for now, so we're going to leave that here into the box. So here you guys go. It's got a lovely strap. As you can see, I don't want to be opening now. And a lovely USB-C cable. Lovely camera, lovely feel, everything about it. And I can't wait to start using it. And as you can see, the little beautiful zoom in, zoom out. Unboxing the second last product. It is the keyboard and mouse mat. So here we go. We're gonna be opening. Pull out box cardboard. There we go. And we're gonna be pulling out the beautiful mat. Here we go. So empty box. Beautiful, lovely lava box. Throw that away. And we got the beautiful mat that is. Look how beautiful big this mat is. Woo! Look at the shine. Look at the ADX. Lovely shine. We're gonna be rolling it back up though. And we're coming to the final unboxing, guys. The beautiful keyboard that is ADX. There's a pull-out box. So yeah, here we go. We don't need that anymore. Throw. And we're gonna be opening it here, pulling it out. There we go, pull the box, pull out this, and we got the cables. We just pull out from here. It's a lovely cable, guys. We have lovely feel, lovely texture. It's a USB cable. And we're gonna be pulling out the armrest. Look at that, guys. Got lovely stick-on grip for the table. Doesn't move, as you can see, it doesn't move at all. So you place it once and that is it. Here you guys go. And now we're gonna pull out the lovely keyboard that is the keyboard. Nothing else needed from this box. Nope. So here we got the keyboard, ADX keyboard, lovely cable, and I can't wait to be playing with it. Ah, look at the sound of that. Lovely sound. You can hear the springing coil back.